my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you another haul video. This time it's Nykaa haul, and in this video you're gonna see only skincare products. So these are the products which I use on a regular basis. So this is actually a repurchase of all of the products that I usually use. So I've actually bought a lot of stuff. So I have decided to film a video on Nykaa haul. So yeah, let's just get started with the first product. Um, with no particular order, the first product is Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Gel. I've actually one had before, but I want another one because I use this aloe vera gel a lot, different purposes. So I usually use this a lot. So yeah, I've recently started shaving my entire face, so I need something to calm my face down after I shave. So I feel comfortable when I shave my face, so I will just gonna continue it further. So yeah, aloe vera gel is must, like it is a must product. You should definitely have aloe vera gel in your kit. So yeah, aloe vera gel is important, so that's why I have aloe vera gel. The next product is my favorite moisturizer. You all know, if you L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Anti Tan Matte Moisturizer. Uh, I use this a lot. Started using this moisturizer. I have only one, but then I started liking, so I ordered another one. Oh yeah, and after that I am started loving this moisturizer, so I have ordered another one. So you you can imagine, after seeing these three, that I love this moisturizer. Although the price is actually 570 rupees, if I'm not wrong. Where the price is written. Okay, I will just mention or to the screen somewhere the price of this one, but it is an beautiful moisturizer for people with oily and combination skin. You will gonna love this one. The best part is it doesn't make your skin greasy, or I have said all these things in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, my skincare video, I will just link somewhere at the I button, so you can just go click and watch it. I'm not gonna be saying so much about this because now after that this video will become super long. But this moisturizer I love, and I will be using this one in future also. So I have ordered another one. Now I have three moisturizers, same moisturizer. So yeah, that's this. The next product is actually in the same range, the L'Oreal Hydra Fresh range. I got my hands on the Genius water. It looked like this. This is the L'Oreal Paris Hydra Fresh Genius Multi-Active 3-in-1 Genius water. Okay, let me tell you about this one. One bottle captures three hydration effects: toner like hydrating power, which is number one. Uh, Essence like nourishing power, milky lotion like lock-in power. So it actually a really nice water. You can use it as toner, as essence, as lotion, as um, as serum. So one bottle, and it has so many benefits. So I have really high hopes for this one because I really love the moisturizer from the same range, and I want to try out this water. I've actually didn't try, but I would love to try. Although I love my Joey's toner, which is coming next. Oh, I just revealed. Okay, so but I want to try this one and see how it works for my skin. I will review this one later in another video. So let's just do. The next product is Jovi's toner. I love this toner. Because I love this one, I have got another variant in the same Jovi's toner, which is the Jovi Sun Defense Neem Skin Toner. Whenever I go out and face the sun, I will use this one. Yes, that's why, because I love Jovi's toner and I would not mind if I try another one. Actually, not one, not two, but I have got this one also. This is the Jovi's skin toner in rose variant. That was the neem variant and the cucumber variant. This one I have used and I loved. And this rose toner, I have got this actually for my mother because she wants a toner. She actually uses the biotic toner, but she wants a change. So why not try Jovi's rose variant? So I got this for her, and these two I got for myself. I actually love this toner. I've actually finished one bottle, and another bottle is right over here. So one empty bottle I finished, and this one is almost over, and this one I have purchased. Another one. Do I have like full dukan of Jovi's toner? Oh, I have more actually. Where is a, yeah, I have full dukan of Jovi's toner. Can you see? Can you imagine my love for Jovi's toner? Jovi's, please, if you're watching, just look at this. I love your toners. Yeah, I just can't handle too many toners. So yeah, that's this. And the another product which I'm going to be showing you is my face wash from the same brand, Jovi's. I have two actually. I ordered two because I have tried this one and I have finished like almost 5 to 6 face washes from Jovi's because I love so much. I will not try any different skincare product for now because finally my acne pimple problem has calmed down a bit and I don't want it to rise again and again. So I will stick to the same skincare routine which I'm following since 2 to 3 months or more than that. So yeah, I'm using the same products. Yeah, I mean, there's a Jovi's Tea Tree Oil Control Face Wash. It looked like this. Okay, I think the light is too much. So yeah, it's for oily and sensitive skin. Sensitive skin, I'm not sure because it has tea tree in it. I'm not actually sure if it suits sensitive skin or not because tea tree is kind of a hard product, hard ingredient for sensitive skin. But yeah, it suits my skin because I have oily skin and it's meant for oily skin. So this is perfect and amazing. The next product is another repurchase. This video is all about repurchases, except 2 to 3 products. This is the Blossom Culture Under Eye Gel. I have a lot of Blossom Culture Under Eye Gel um, because I love this eye gel. I've actually tried Mamaearth, but that didn't work for me. But this one I love a lot, and I will use in future. I will stick to this product. It's actually very cheap. It's actually this Nykaa tea tree oil is actually very good, and it helps me in reducing pimples on my face. So a tea tree oil is must from me. Actually, I don't use it nowadays because I don't have any pimple. Touch wood, luckily for now. But yeah, I want like if I would have acne in future and I don't have tea tree oil, what would I do then? So I've ordered another one. This one I used. This one is over. So I ordered another one because backup. Life is all about giving backup because we don't know when the lockdown start and we like, oh, I don't have this thing, so I want to prepare for future. So I have this one. And yeah, I think okay, one more last thing is left. I think second last. Okay, so I ordered this wet wipes. This is from Tulips. This is a normal refreshing wet wipe, so nothing very fancy in that thing. And yeah, I actually ordered to keep it in my bag because we need wet wipes all over. And the last product is, where is that? Uh, okay, so the last product is a lip balm. This look like this, and it's a nice moisturizer, and I personally love when my moisturizer are free from any color. Any tinted lip balm is one actually I hate. So It is pure colorless lip balm. It is transparent, which I love, which I want my lip balm actually to be. And yeah, any lip balm could work for me, but the only demand of is it should be colorless. It should not have any color, and it has SPF in it, so it is also really good. And yeah, it's tiny and it's looking cute. And wow, the smell is the smell is really nice. Very fruity, very fruity, very not fruity but very flowery, very very rose like, very flowery. I don't like fruity smell, to be very honest. So this is the last product and that's it. I've actually ordered the Garnier wrinkle lift anti-aging cream. This visibly reduces wrinkles and fine lines for a firmer looking skin. So it looked like this. Oh god, yeah. So this one I actually got for my mom, not for me, because why would I use this? So she actually tried this Chotu one, this little cream. So she liked. I got this for one. I got this cream for her. The smaller one, because yeah, if she likes, she will go for the bigger one. So she liked this one and she tell me that I want a big cream. So I ordered this for her. Yeah, that's the thing. And I've actually ordered two more things which I've already shown you. But okay, let's just do this facial razors. This one is for face, this one is the eyebrow shaver, this one is eyebrow shaver, face shaver. So this is small, the blade is slightly small and the blade of this one is slightly big. So yeah, that's the face shaver. I've made a detailed video on these two, so you can go and check it out if you haven't. That's it for the haul. This is the end of the video. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification. Actually, another Nykaa haul is coming with makeup product. Actually, I've ordered a lot of makeup product and skincare. So it actually make a huge haul. So I just compress it down a little bit, just cut it down, and makeup is will be in another video and skincare is in this video. So another Nykaa haul is coming, a more exciting one. So stay tuned for that video as well. Yeah, that's it. I will upload my makeup haul very soon. So yeah, that's it. I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care, guys. Love you all. Take care of yourself because I think it's very important for now at least. And bye. Big hug.